All right, so for your at-home assignment this week, you are going to actually start, in a sense, working on the actual pages you were assigned. You can't actually start working on the pages on Pictavo because editors need this week to kind of finish up their templates, but you can start contacting people and gathering both information and photos. So, if you look at this assignment sheet here, so step one, obviously currently you're watching this video. Step two, I want you to click here. I'm not going to talk about it a ton because it's kind of self-explanatory, but this just gives you a template on how to send messages to people. So basically the point of this week is you need to contact someone from one of your pages and ask for information. Ask for photos, ask for when they meet, ask if you can get photos, photo gallery, ask how many seniors are in their sport, ask when they have their Zoom meetings, etc. So you're getting information and gathering photos. So you will review that message, and if you want to use it as a template, feel free. If you just want to kind of introduce yourself and send your own message, that's fine too, but this message guidelines is just there to help you. So step three, you are going to actually message someone from your page. I highly recommend you do a fall or winter page contact, but feel free to message everyone for your pages for all year if you would like to, but you only have to show me proof of one to get your participation points for this week. But I have made this document here below, and so it's the exact same thing you saw last week in terms of like who got what page. Your page assignments, but I've added information. So for example, if we look at Kara here, just because she's the first person, so she has boys soccer, so I think the best way she should contact them would be through their Instagram page, and I gave her the name of their Instagram page. And then for theater, I gave her the email of Mr. Davis, who runs theater, and the email of the soccer coach. Elle, if we look at hers, right, so for Color Guard and Marching Band, I've given her two choices here. She can message their Instagram or she can email Mr. Robinson. For bowling, I gave her the name of a coach, and then tennis, same thing, Instagram or email. So basically this document, I'm giving you contacts. Some people you'll notice, let me find someone. I've given you multiple choices for a contact, or some of your pages there's no contact needed. So Maddie, for example, right? For Senior Now and Then and Senior Pets, like there's no teacher or advisor to contact. You just need to start contacting students. So send me proof that you have texted 10 seniors and telling them to send a picture of them and their dog or whatever it is. So for some of you, you're actually going to be contacting students this week, and that's okay. Just send me proof of at least one contact. And then for some people, like Lauren, for a department page, music and art, I didn't put all the music teachers and all the art teachers' emails here, but if you go to your school email and you start typing in like Gilby or Eversman, their emails will come up and you can email them. You can go to the school website and see exactly who are all the English teachers, who are all the math teachers, and so forth. But use this document. If you have any questions about kind of who you need to contact, please let me know. But so after you have sent your message, and again, you can send your message to all your contacts for the whole year, or at least one. You have to do at least minimum one to get participation points for the week. Then you just need to send me proof of that contact. You can take a screenshot of the email you sent and then send it to me, or maybe the Instagram message you've sent, or just some sort of proof. So a screenshot, and then you can send me that proof through Remind, through email, or you can like upload it to our Schoology assignment. But if you have any questions, please let me know. But again, please just try to get some information. You might email once and you'll get all the photos and know how many seniors, and you'll be ready to go next week. So let me know if you have any questions, but have a great week.